Hey, it's RPM Tesla Model X and Model S owners installing our Bluetooth underglow lighting kit. We're making a quick video. Obviously, with the 16-volt system, Tesla does not allow access to the battery. So we have a port here. And again, this is a positive port in the Model S Plaid. And this is the same port here in the Model X. So in this video, we're going to show you the best way to get a nice, solid, positive and negative connection. Okay, now this is the positive terminal under the hood. You push this clip on this side to release it, and now you have access. So again, if you want to install in a more permanent method, you could use a nut and a screw and go right through here to grab it and hold it. All right, we changed angles here, and again, this is the positive, the red wire, and we bent the forks and curved them a little bit, you can see here. And then this is the best way we found to get a nice strong connection without hooking up any wires or nuts or bolts. So you put it through the first hole, and then we're gonna go downward with it so it doesn't interfere with the clasp or the cover. So see how we're bending them here. We're bending the wires. And forcing it down so the clearance is good. Now we recommend using some tape, just a little piece of tape on this side. And again, this is just our suggested way in case you do not want to use a nut and bolt. And again, electric tape here is going to be good. And before we close it up, we'll reconnect the ground and show you how good it's working. It doesn't seem to vibrate or come off. And now the cover goes right back on. So everybody knows how Tesla is about aftermarket products. If they see something under your hood, if they see a wire going to your battery, they're not going to touch anything. So with this technique, if you have any issues, you can simply uninstall this, take the wire harness out, and your car is serviceable. So again, now we need to find a ground. We're using the block here, but we recommend just pick any 10 millimeter anywhere bolted to the chassis. There's one there. There's also lots of them on here. But if you don't want to see the wires, just locate something that's mounted to the chassis for any kind of ground. There's a nice one here, almost like a compressor area. You see here if we touch this one, so this is a 10 millimeter. So again, positive, negative, and then run the wire down through under the vehicle and you'll be all set. And you can do the same thing in the X. Now in the X, we've got the same here, and there's lots of ground possibilities everywhere. So again, positive, negative, and it's easily removable. If you ever need to take it in for service, you can simply disconnect this wire, take it and hide it so nothing is connected to the electrical system. Thank you for watching. Any questions, call us.